Hey guys, I'm Steff and welcome back to my beauty stash. Today we're going to be doing a little unboxing and demo using the brand new Glamlite Chocolate Factory Foodie box. This arrived a couple days ago and I couldn't wait to pop on here and show you guys what I got, and of course to create a look using almost all of the items that you see in this box. Now I will tell you guys that normally I don't like to look and see what I got. I like it to be a surprise when I do these videos, but I actually filmed this video this morning and I didn't really like the way the footage came out. I had to film it over in my office because my beauty room, as you can see, I have a new background going on. I'm totally redecorating everything, so everything is kind of like a mess and I'm just now getting things set up the way I need them to be. So I decided, you know what, now that I have these little lights going on in the background and I have a different location here in my room where I am filming, so I thought, you know what, let me just go ahead and redo the video, and that's what I'm doing. So I was surprised this morning, but I'll pretend to be surprised again. So now let's jump into everything that I got in this Chocolate Factory box. Guys, I love getting these foodie boxes from Glamlite Cosmetics. If you are unfamiliar with Glamlite Cosmetics, they are a food-themed makeup brand, and they are an indie makeup brand here in the US. They were founded by Caribbean immigrant Giselle Hernandez, who had a love for pizza and who also had a love for makeup. So she put them together. She created the pizza palette, which I'll put a picture of here. I do own that one, love that one. And then she came out with the burger palette, the taco palette, the cake palette, the ice cream palette, you name it. And now we're here to like a mystery box. And I really wish they wouldn't like sneak peek anything. I really want it to be a surprise because I love getting these types of boxes. And it's always fun when you're pleasantly surprised, right? So let's open this up. This is what it looks like. The golden ticket is really a nice personal touch. This is why I love buying from indie makeup brands. They personalize everything. On the back is a note from the owner, Giselle. It says, "Congratulations, Foodie. You are the recipient of the Glamlite Golden Ticket, which gives you exclusive access to the ultimate chocolate experience. I love chocolate. I eat chocolate every single day. In this box, you will find the most decadent and delicious chocolate treats ever. Welcome to the Glamlite Chocolate Factory, Giselle." So now let's dive into this box. The first two things that I want to show you are lip glosses. We have the s'mores lip gloss and we have the hot chocolate lip gloss. And look at this packaging, guys. I mean, only indie brands, right? And everything in this box is individually packaged. So you could very well buy this box and have 6 or 7 different gifts because everything comes nicely packaged. Some of the items in here also had a plastic wrapped all around them. Not these, but like the palette did, and I think one of the, there's 2 palettes in here, and I'll get to that in a second. But let's open these little lip glosses. These are both lip glosses. This first one that I'm opening is called S'mores. Look at the picture there. Yum. Who doesn't love s'mores? And here we go. This is the gorgeous color of s'mores. Let me go ahead and swatch it on the back of my hand. This is a really deep shade, so we're definitely going to be playing with this one today. Next up, we have hot chocolate lips, and this is what it looks like. Let's go ahead and swatch it. This is a lighter shade, but still very, very pretty. Both of these you can totally wear on their own. I don't think you even need to add a lip liner. Of course you can. But today when I demo them, I'm just going to wear them on their own so that we can see how they look by themselves. Next up, we have lashes. And I love a good Glamlite lash. I remember when I got the Mexico edition foodie box, they had a couple pairs of lashes in there. And they're really dramatic lashes. And at that point, I liked wearing lashes, but I didn't wear them that often. And I thought they were just a little too dramatic for me. But lately, guys, I've really been into false lashes. And of course, I don't get to wear them every day, but I've been really into a big dramatic lash. You guys, if you saw my Black Friday haul video, you saw all the lashes that I ordered. And now I'm getting 3 more pairs of lashes to add to my stash, and I could not be happier to pick them up. This first one is the chocolate candy bar, and again, just look at this packaging, guys. I mean, like if you were actually getting a chocolate bar. So cute. It says every lash is designed and handcrafted using the highest and softest quality material. Our 3D lashes are the perfect way to add volume, length, and versatility to your lashes. These are synthetic lashes that are cruelty-free and vegan. And this is what these beauties look like. Really, really nice. So obviously I'm not going to get to wear all 3 lashes, but I'm definitely going to be wearing a pair. This next one is another set of lashes, and this is packaged in the shape of a donut. These are called the donut lashes, and these are pretty dramatic. Once again, guys, packaging, everything is individually packaged. So if you were to buy this Foodie box for $45, you're getting 7 really great gifts. I mean, who wouldn't love to get a pair of these lashes? I know I would. And then the last pair of lashes, which is the one that we're going to be wearing today because these are the ones I've already trimmed down. These are the Choco Lash. So pretty. And look at this. Look at all the desserts up there. Yum, yum, yum. All right, so now we're gonna jump into the S'mores Highlight and Contour Palette. Now, I knew I was gonna get some type of a bronzer in this box, so that's why I only have foundation and concealer on and some powder. This is what the S'mores palette looks like. Guys, look, it really is a s'more. And then let's open it up, and this is what you get inside. You have the bronzer shade, which is this one right here. Then you have 2 highlighter shades. This one is called Marshmallows, and then this one is called Graham Cracker, and then this one is called Chocolate. Let's go ahead and swatch these really quick so you guys can see what they look like. So there's the bronzer. Of course, you can build it up. Now let's do marshmallows. These feel really buttery and smooth. And guys, on the highlight, keep in mind that the lights in here, they do drown it out. But trust me, these are really intense. If there was sun today, I would go outside and swatch them, as I like to do for all of my new makeup products, but I probably have better lighting indoors right now than I do outdoors. But that's what the S'mores palette looks like. Really nice. Can't wait to jump into that. And then last but not least, which is probably the star of the box, is the new Chocolate Donut Eyeshadow Palette. And I have the first donut palette, so I definitely wanted to add this one to my collection. And like I told you guys earlier, I am kind of redecorating my beauty room. So I have a couple shelves dedicated to just Glamlite because, I mean, who wouldn't want to display this? This is really, again, really cute packaging. So this is what the Chocolate Donut Palette looks like. So cute, guys. Look at that. Let's open it up. And there we have our chocolate donut palette with, of course, sprinkles on top. You are getting 4 matte shades, and then you get 5 shimmer shades, and then the shade in the middle is a highlight. Of course, you can use that middle shade as an eyeshadow as well. So there are a total of 10 different shades in here. And of course, you have a mirror up here at the top. I want to say that you can pick this up on its own, as can you pick up some of the other products. I think they're all available for individual purchase although I don't know if they are all in stock at the moment. I do know that the Foodie box is currently in stock, so I'll have all of that linked in the description box down below in case you do want to purchase. But really nice brown shades, neutral shades, guys. Maybe if you haven't tried Glamlite Cosmetics before, because you've seen that they do a lot of color heavy eyeshadow palettes, right here is a good neutral palette to kind of just get your feet wet with the brand and see what it's all about. I thought this was super cute, and I don't think I've bought a neutral palette, like a brown tone neutral palette, in a while. So this was nice for me to update my collection, and of course to add it to the Glamlite display that I have going on here in my beauty stash, which I will show you guys a picture of that a little bit later in the video. All right, guys, so those were all 7 items that I got in my box. So now it's time for me to demo all of these products for you to create a look using the chocolate donut palette to get some lashes going on, some lip gloss, and of course use that new bronze and highlight palette, or that contour and highlight palette. If you guys want to see the Chocolate Factory Foodie box from Glamlite Cosmetics in action, keep on watching. Alright guys, so this is a completed look using the brand new Chocolate Factory Foodie box from Glamlite Cosmetics and using the new Chocolate Donut eyeshadow palette. Guys, I love it. I absolutely love it. I mean, who doesn't like chocolate sprinkled donuts? And this color story, beautiful. Beautiful, just a great neutral, warm tone, brown, sparkly, fun eyeshadow palette to add to your collection. I think that all the shadows performed really well. Actually, there was only two that I didn't use today. I don't think I used Boston Cream or Sweet Tooth. Those were the only two shadows that I did not use. Everything else I used and loved. Everything blended seamlessly into one another. No issues with fallout, no issues with patchiness. Really not a lot of kick up in the pan either. Like very, very minimal. I think this palette is definitely worth picking up, even if this is the only thing you buy, because I do think you can buy this on its own. It's so cute, guys. I mean, who doesn't want to have this on display in their beauty room? I just think it's really, really cute, and I cannot wait to add it to my Glamlite shelf. And the lashes I'm wearing are the Choco Lash or Choco Lash. Choco. Either way. Gorgeous, gorgeous lashes. The lip gloss that I switched over to is is this the S'mores? Yeah, this is the S'mores lip gloss. I mean, you're getting this much pigmentation from a gloss. Look at how beautiful that is. Ooh, definitely complements the eyelashes. And the S'mores contour and highlight palette blended beautifully. I did use all three shades. I went in with graham cracker right here on the lower portion of my cheeks, and then I used marshmallow, which is the white one, on the upper portion, just because that is a lighter shade, and that way it could really stand out. And you'll see that they just both blended really nicely into each other. And I really did enjoy the contour shade. I thought it was really flattering on my skin tone. A little goes a long way, so just be careful when you're dipping your brush into the contour shade, because there is quite a bit of pigmentation with it, but I thought it blended out really, really nice. And if I'm not mistaken, this is the first time Glamlite does a contour or bronzer, so I was really excited to see that in this Foodie box. Now, of course, I wasn't able to wear the other two pairs of lashes, but I will definitely be wearing them in the very near future. And I did have on, you guys saw me apply the S'mores lip gloss at the beginning before I started the eye tutorial. Really nice, guys. I have a couple other lip glosses from Glamlite, and it's a very comfortable formula, very shiny, glossy formula. Just a really nice product in general. But guys, I got all of these products for just $45, and they are all amazing products. Once again, you can buy this right now on the Glamlite website. It is available for purchase. And guys, think about gift giving. This would make a great gift for any makeup lover, or break it up into 7 different pieces and you're giving away 7 really awesome gifts while you're helping small business here in the USA. So definitely leave me your thoughts down below. What did you think of all the products that were in this Glamlite Chocolate Factory Foodie box? Is it something that you're interested in? Are you going to be picking it up? Definitely sound off below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water. Cheers. And I will see you all very soon. Bye.